This is Keaton Blizzard reporting from Newsroom 20 at Black Texas. Here at the newsroom, we need Jefferson for some breaking news weather. Weather models show that there is a blizzard heading our direction. For this type of storm, you can expect heavy winds of 35 miles an hour. It lasts longer than 3 hours. Warm air goes over the cold air and turns it into snow. You can see less than a fourth of a mile. It is important to prepare for this type of storm because it could hurt people. If it gets too fast, it could kill people. It is possible it could break wood. Did you know it could break wood, dent cars, planes, trucks, and vans? You could freeze today. It could make big snowbanks. Also, 30 people die from blizzards each year. With proper preparation, our town will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check with us here at Newsroom 20 at Black Duck School, or check NOAA Weather Radio for most current news and updates about this storm. Your news reporter, Keaton Blizzard.